Hello friends, welcome back to A&D Creators. Today we are discussing Hitachi Vantara interview experience with answers. So let's get started. Introduction. So you need to tell your introduction. After that, interviewer has asked the question how to connect Wi-Fi to your computer. So the answer you should give is select the wireless network icon in the taskbar. Select the wireless network you wish to connect with. Select connect and enter the password so you can easily connect the Wi-Fi to your laptop. So the next follow-on question is how does Wi-Fi work internally? So the answer is Wi-Fi works of some principle as other wireless devices. It uses radio frequency to send signals between devices and to receive the information found in these waves. Your radio receive needs to be set to receive wave of a certain frequency. For Wi-Fi, this frequency happens to be 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. The next question interviewer asks is how CPU works. The actual mathematical operation for each instruction is performed by combinational logic circuit within the CPU processor is known as ALU, that is arithmetic logic unit. In general, CPU defines as CPU executes an instruction by fetching it from memory, using it ALU to perform an operation and then storing the result to the memory. Next question is explain global and local variable. The main difference between global and local variable is that global variable can be accessed globally in entire program, whereas local variable can be accessed only within the function or block in which they are defined. So for example, if you have a function of factorial, if you declare any variable in that, so the scope of that variable is in between that function. You cannot use it in the whole program. So next question is how operating system works. So the operating system manages all of the software and hardware on the computer. It performs basic tasks such as file, memory, and process management, handling input and output operation, and controlling peripheral devices such as disk, drivers, and printers. So the next question is which types of Linux you work with. So there are 10 type of Linux, that is distribution of Linux. You need to tell one of them in which you have work. So I will tell all the names of the Linux. So first is Debian. Debian is renowned for being a mother of popular Linux distributions such as Debian, Ubuntu, and Mint. Next is Gentoo. Then Ubuntu. Ubuntu is one of the most popular Linux distros enjoyed across the globe by beginners, intermediate user, and professional alike. Ubuntu was basically designed for beginners in Linux or those transitioning from Mac and Windows. Next is Linux Mint, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, CentOS, Fedora, Kali Linux, Arch Linux, open source. So the next question is what is the backend work behind Gaana app and where does the songs coming from? This question is based on the hobbies because the student who are appearing for the interview tell that he like to listen the music. Then interviewer ask him tell me on which platform you are listening the music. So he said that Gaana. So that follow-up question comes up what the backend work behind Gaana app and where does the song coming from. So the answer is this is all about multimedia streaming. For example, I will using both database and file system of a server. First I will create a table in the database with the name of my song and field like song id, song initial, song artist name, and the path of the song which is stored in the file system. For example, song ID, song initial, song artist, and song location save. That is, for example, Nayan / folder /song1.wmv. So this is how I store the song in the database. It is easy to search a specific song in database based on song ID, that is index, and read the song URL from database which point to specific directory and folder. So if interviewer asks you about the next question, how you can make them play fast on the client side, there are lot of options like high-end streaming devices which compress songs and string about on high speed. So next question is how to install operating system on your system. So there are three ways. First is on virtual machine. Second is using boot, and third is using overwriting your current operating system. So we will discuss one by one. So first is run it on your virtual machine. So first download VirtualBox and get the operating system technical preview ISO file and start the installation. Select the amount of RAM you need to require for new OS. Create the VirtualBox hard drive. Select your ISO file location to the startup disk and then finish the installation. This is the first way. Next way is dual boot. So first install a new hard drive or create new partition in your current existing operating system, uh, and plug in a USB stick containing the new operating system and then reboot your PC. Install operating system, being sure to be select the option that is custom option. The next is perform a full install and overwrite the operating system you are currently rolling with. So first format the drive and set the primary partition as active. Second step is copy Windows setup to USB flash drive, and third is install Windows to the new PC. Connect the USB flash drive to new PC. Turn on the PC and press the key that opens the boot device selection menu for the computer, such as Escape, F10, F2, F12 keys. Select the option that boot the PC from the USB flash drive. Windows setup starts. Follow the instruction to install Windows. Remove the USB flash drive. So these are the three ways. So you firstly need to tell only the three options to the interviewer. So interviewer will ask you one of them. So you need to describe one of them as per requirement. So this is the experience from one of the student. So thank you for watching our video and follow our channel for more videos. Thank you.